Hello student, myself IT Valvisar. Today we learn subject Organization of Commerce and Management, Standard 12, Chapter 1st, Principles of Management. Next, 1.7, Frederick Winslow Taylor's Scientific Management Theory. We see the introduction. Taylor's working period 1856 to 1915. Taylor's was an American who started his career as a machinist in Midwell Steelworks, Philadelphia, and gradually, through his hard work and progress, rose to the position of the chief engineer. He introduced his observation and experiment based on scientific data. Taylor's approach towards management is termed as scientific management. For this contribution in development of management thought, he is known as the father of scientific management. Taylor's management theory is based on scientific experiment. This theory involves the applications of scientific approach to decision making and solving them at the same time. According to Taylor, problems should be solved by scientific techniques rather than the rule of thumb and a trial and error approach. Next, we see the definition of scientific management theory. Definition of scientific management by Frederick Taylor's. Scientific management consists of knowing what you want me to do exactly and seeing it that they do it in the best and the cheapest manner. Next, we see some principles of scientific management. We see the first principles of scientific management. Science, not rule of thumb. In order to increase organizational efficiency, the rule of thumb method should be substituted with the method developed through scientific analysis of work. Rule of thumb decisions are based on personal judgment of the manager. Taylor insisted upon scientific method for every small work. This principle is concerned with selecting the best way of performing a job after scientific analysis of that job and not by trial and error method. Standard required time and standard output should be defined by the manager. This will help in saving time and human energy and will result into expected standard output. According to Taylor, even a small production activity like loading iron sheet into box cars can be scientifically planned. Second, principles of scientific management. Harmony, not discord. According to this principle, there should be harmony between the employees and management. This coordination will help in minimizing conflict between them. Perfect understanding between employees and management will be helpful in creating healthy work environment for achieving the desired goal, that is success. Organizations should think about maximum prosperity of employees also. Third, principles of scientific management, mental revolution. Taylor introduced the concept of mental revolution. This principle focuses on change in the attitude of employees and management towards each other. Both should realize their equal importance in organization. They should give full cooperation for achieving goal of organization. This will increases productivity and profits. Fourth, principles of scientific management, cooperation, not individualism. This principle emphasizes on mutual cooperation between workforce, that is employees and management. Due to cooperation, trust, team spirit, etc., internal competition will turn into healthy working environment. Management should always consider the suggestions given by employees in decision making process. Employees should be treated as an integral part of organization in all respect. At the same time, employees should resist as an resist themselves from going on strike and making unnecessary demands from management. They should treat each other as two pillars of organization. Fifth, scientific management. Fifth principles of scientific management: division of responsibility. Proper divisions of work should be always be accom- accompanied with divisions of responsibilities between the managers and employees. Major planning is done by the top and middle level management authorities, where employees are concentrating on its execution. The reporting is done as per the instructions given by their superior. Managers should always help, encourage, and guide the employees. It helps for best performance of managers as well as employees. Next, six principles of scientific management: development of employer and employees for greater efficiency and maximum prosperity. Best performance of any organization always depend on the skill and capabilities of its employees to a great extent. Thus, providing training and development programs to the employees whenever required is very essential. It ultimately affects the profitability of the organization. Each employee should be given proper opportunity to attain greater efficiency and maximum prosperity. All these are the principles of the scientific management. Thank you very much.